Guys, Simon Crack from Dead Call Apps, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video today to introduce you to a new funnel builder. Now, I know there's a ton of funnel builders on the market, but this one is pretty special. It's called Auto Funnel, and it's by Trace Smith, brainchild. And yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick overview. I'm going to be doing some more videos in depth about how to use it, but I just wanted to show you, a quick behind the scenes really. So this is my auto funnel account. I can go into the left hand panel here, and there's funnel AI, Bookle AI, and Copycraft AI. So I'm in the funnel section. Bookle, you can create books, which basically uses the back end of ChatGPT with some extra pizzazz that the guys have used for Bookle to actually bring your ideas and thoughts together to make a book with AI. So this is a pretty cool add-on extra. Copycraft is basically for creating ad copy, which is quite helpful as well. So this is my first funnel that I've built so far. It's for a magic product in the magic niche. So if I just click on it and just show you, the actual funnel builder is pretty easy to use. It's pretty much drag and drop. So you can add sections like text, buttons, images, videos, timers, forms, and bits and bobs. GIFs work as well. And you can just drag and drop images and they will literally update. And then obviously you can update all your text and your buttons and everything. And I guess what separates this funnel builder from the others is the ease of use, because a lot of funnel builders can be quite technical. This is kind of like PowerPoint for funnel builders, and you also get the power of the AI. So they're constantly sort of adding new features to it. For instance, you can click on a headline and you can click the AI button, and it will actually just update and give you new copy ideas. So you might want to keep that or not, but at least then it gives you some ideas to play with. Because what's sort of the worst thing when you're creating a new product is quite often like blank page syndrome, where you're not sure what to write. So this can actually just bring up the templates that you can then just copy over and be rocking. So it's not cheap, but what you are doing really is you're investing into their company, because they're constantly adding things, and you're getting obviously the funnel builder, but then you're getting all the other AI apps that just keeps getting built into funnel builder, auto funnel I should say. So things like Bookle and Copycraft, and they're bringing out tons of other apps that are going to sort of integrate into it. So AI is definitely one to look out for. So I would check out Auto Funnel and check out my other videos for how to's and tips and tricks with using it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.